This exists somewhere between brunch and a restaurant starter. It's completely vegetarian. We put black pepper caramel on burrata, and everything changed. Every single element on this plate is doing something different. The burrata, roasted strawberries, a black pepper caramel, crispy basil, sourdough crumb, and a little rocket underneath to hold it all together. Let me show you exactly how to make this. It's simpler than it looks. Start with the strawberries. Remove the leaves, then hull them. Slice them in halves. Then add dark brown sugar. And a splash of balsamic. Toss them together and let that coating do its work. Lay them on a baking sheet. Into the oven, 20 minutes. What comes out is completely different from what went in. Collapsed, jammy, intensely concentrated. Sourdough, torn. Pulse it into a coarse crumb. Butter in a pan with a little garlic. When it foams, in go the crumbs. Let the sizzle sound come through. That's the flavor developing right there. Keep them moving. Watch the color go from pale to golden to deep. Season with flaky salt while they're still hot. Then the basil. Dry them completely. Hot oil. Lower them in gently. Let the fry sound come through. 15 seconds. This is your crunch. They go from flat and green to translucent and glass-like. Now the caramel. Clean pan. Sugar goes in. Don't touch it. No stirring. Watch the edges first. That's where the melting starts. Let it come to you. Golden and white. Then it happens. All at once, white to amber in seconds. Butter goes in next. It will bubble. Then the cream, warm, not cold. Stir it together until it's completely smooth and glossy. Then the black pepper. Freshly cracked, not pre-ground. The heat of the pepper against the sweetness of the caramel. That's the moment this dish becomes something nobody has tasted before. Now we build the plate, rockets first. Just enough to give everything else something to rest on. Strawberries on and around the rockets. Jammy side up. Burrata in the middle. Sourdough crumb over the burrata. Golden against white. The crumb gives you that crunch that ties everything together. Then the caramel. The caramel is sweet, rich, and then there's the pepper. That slow heat that builds after the sweetness. You don't expect it, and then you do, and you want more of it. The basil, that freshness at the very end. Every single element is doing something different. Nothing is fighting. The strawberry is warm and jammy, intensely sweet with a slight acidity from the balsamic. The burrata is cool and creamy against it. Everything belongs. This is what happens when you stop playing it safe with brunch. Thank you for watching. Full recipe is in the description.